everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm on again. This is the first video that I show my face and talk with you guys. I'm so nervous but excited about that. Today I want to show you a huge Temu haul. I ordered them 2 weeks ago and today it finally arrived and I'm so excited to unboxing them. Okay, let's get started. I don't know how many boxes in this, but a lot. It's gonna take a lot of time. Oh, so cute! It's a cat bowl, but I love it and I'm gonna use it because I don't have cats. It's so heavy. So cute. Many boxes inside this package. Wall mountable dish CD player. It is so heavy. Good gonna put dish CD like this. Actually, I don't have any CDs. I'm gonna put it over there. You see? Oh, over there. Gonna hang it on my bottle like this. This one, I think it's a lipstick. Ooh, oh no, it's not lipstick, it's a blush. Blush. Oh, it's her shape. Lip care set.
Nice.
Okay, the next. What is this? The box. The candle light. Oh! Firework. Over there. A bag. You have to buy it. You're gonna love it. Calendar. The calendar for 2024. I think it's another bowl. Yeah, ceramic bowl. Wow. Biggest package. There are 2 pouches inside. This one. Ooh.
2,000 years later.
So big. We just have 2 pots left. This is the brother container. You have to look at my room right now. fluffy bag. I love it so much. 9.5 out of 10. The next one, staple. Oh, so cute. 9.5 out of 10. This cup. 9 out of 10. Okay. Blush, lip mask, lip palm. 9 out of 10. What's next? It's so big. It's big, but the price is affordable. 9.5 out of 10. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Then the last one is the keychain. Well, actually it's 10 out of 10 because it's so cute. Cheers. Okay, and finally, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate. See you.